Today I have this gnome that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to start by painting it black. I'm only going to do one coat and I'm not worrying about full coverage. And then I'm going to go in with some goldenrod. I'm going to start the rim of the hat and then fill the rest of the hat in. I'm going to revamp this gnome. So I'm not going to really go back and do exactly what they had. I'm going to take the snow owl, and I'm using the same brush that has a little bit of mustard in it just to give me an off-white. And then I'm going to use snow owl to go in and start a mustache. The original gnome did not have a mustache, so I want a mustache going into the beard. Then I'm going to figure out where my beard is going to go and fill that in with the white. While the paint is still wet, I'm going to take this wooden fork and I'm going to put in the details to the mustache and the beard. You can use a plastic fork, any fork would do. Then I'm going to do my second coat with the goldenrod in the hat. And then I'm going to take that fork and create detail with that in the hat area. And the fork is just going down to the black. I'm going to do a second coat on my nose. And then I'm going to fill in the hands with the black. This is all with the Wise Owl paint. We are retailers. You can find them at chalkitupfancy.com. I'm going to put some laces on my shoes. Then I took a piece of paper and cut it in half, and I sketched out half a beehive. I'm going to cut it with a pair of scissors. If you're interested in this, just say PDF in the comments and I'll make sure I get you a copy. And I'm going to trace it between the two hands. I want it to look like my gnome is holding the hive. I'm going to start by filling it in with the black. And then when that is dry, I'm going to fill it in with the goldenrod. I'm going to take the fork and I'm going to make the lines in my hive. Add some white for highlight, and then create an entryway for my bees on my hive and fill that in with black. I'm going to go in with some white on my hands and just give that some detail. Then I'm going to go in with the white into the hive a little more. And then into the hat. I found these bees at Hobby Lobby. They're $2.99. I find them in the party section. They have a wire on them that I cut off, and then I'm going to glue them to my hive and then to my hat. I go into the party section every other week where everything is 50% off, so it's a great savings. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com for any paint products, tissue paper transfers, or mesh stencils. And don't forget our cutouts, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.